Hi, I'm John DeLuper, Web Services Online Learning Librarian at Lehman College's Leonard Leaf Library. Did you know that if Lehman doesn't have a copy of a book you need, you may be able to get it sent from another CUNY library to us? Here's how it works. I'm looking for a book by an author named Greller called Brooklyn Trolleys. If I search for Greller, the author's name, and Brooklyn Trolleys, I can get a good idea if Lehman has a copy of this item. I am sadly not seeing it. So what I can do with my initial search is I can click this drop-down menu here, expand it to Lehman plus CUNY libraries, and hit search. I see a copy is available at a different CUNY, may be available, see options, and go ahead and click that. It brings me to the item record. I sign in to place a request. As a current student, faculty, or staff, I click through there. I log in with my CUNY First ID. Click Login and request a physical copy from CUNY or SUNY. Make sure that the details of this form are right, and I hit Send. The book will be sent from its home library to Lehman in 2 to 3 business days. Now you know how to get a book sent from another CUNY to Lehman.